everybody, it's Fun Little Dolphin here. We're this time we're doing the fan favorite. Whatever the most animations on YouTube, Warrior Cats. I know, so shocking because they usually do Wings of Fire stuff, but we all know that Warrior Cats is probably one of the most famous things on YouTube. Okay, you probably don't know what I mean if you don't know what Warrior Cats is. It's basically this book series about cats living in the wild. And the main character right here is Rusty. But now he's 5 star. He's the best guy. Okay, but here okay. So and mostly all animations on YouTube are of this. But okay, so let's just get started. I'll put this guy. Okay, 5 star. Duh. Okay, you might everybody know people would say he'd be a legendary, but I say it's like he's legendary. He's legend Willow Pelt. You don't really get to know her in like the first 6 books. I'd say okay. Thornclaw. Don't even get to know him either. Spotted Leaf. Awesome. Brackenfur. They're basically the same. They're basically the same. Wait a minute. Oh wait, oh that reminds me. Where on earth is Brightheart and Swiftpaw? I don't know. White Storm. White Storm, you were awesome. You were a legend. You deserve to go. No, 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 no. And awesome. Cinderpelt, I love her. I love her. Running Wind. First off, that's not how Running Wind looks. Second off, you never. Some of these characters, you like, why are they putting some of these characters that we barely even know, like Running Wind, Red Tail. Why Red Tail? He died in the first book. We never even got to meet him. Here's the character you never got to like get to talk to. Willowpelt, Sword, get to know what's about. I mean, Willowpelt, Thornclaw, Running Wind. You only talk to him. You would only talk to. You never got to talk to her. You only got to talk to these through bit. Oh, you never got to talk to him except when you were talking to StarClan. You okay? I guess Lionheart. Okay, Running Wind. Okay, Yellowfang. I mean, so obvious, right? Who doesn't love Yellowfang? If they do hate her, then get out. Just get out. Because Yellowfang is like, oh, she is the best. And you should know that. And you should know that. Dark Stripe. Meh. Hate him. You're basically just you're trying to be like him. You're basically trying to be a copycat. Longtail. I mean, you were, but and here's the thing. I think I don't know if this is true, but Gate Gray Stripe and Dark Stripe are related. Is that true? Are they related? Are they? I mean, they kind of look the same, but he's not. He's more brown than gray. Who, who's Gray Stripe? I don't know. Okay, so long tail, long tail. You're awesome. You actually helped us when there's a dog pat in like the 6 books, the sixth or third book. I mean, sixth or fifth book. Okay, red tail. Red tail, red tail, red. Matt, because you never got to meet him. You never got to meet him. You just, he, you just, as soon as Firestar just enters the territory, Ravenpaw just comes up and Ravenpaw comes up and like, Red Tail is dead. Then he comes and he said he's dead. When you're the one who did it. I don't understand how she even. Okay, it's fine. And anyway, mouse fur. Nuh-uh. No, 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 no. Mouse fur is gray. Oh my god. But we all know if who comment who your favorite warrior cat characters is in the book. I'm gonna take a wild guess who it is. Jay Feather. Everybody loves him. If you don't, if basically, I'm gonna say this. I'm pretty sure if someone said I hate Jade Feather, it's resembling I love Whirlpool. No, okay. So basically, what I'm saying is, okay, imagine this. So someone said I hate Jade Feather. To that is the same thing as saying I love Whirlpool, who, if you all know, it's the worst character in the series. So basically, okay, that's why I put in the second worst character is obviously Blister. Okay, Mouse we never got to talk to these. What's the point of some of these warriors when we barely even get to know them and talk to them? Like, why are you on here, Redtail? I'm just saying. You never got to be me. You never got to be me except when Rush Firestar was becoming leader. Tiger Star bad, just as bad as Blister. Hang on, I want to test something real quick. How many do I add to make it? Okay. I know, baby ball. Oh dang it. Okay. I'll just Lionheart. You were a good apprentice. You were an actual good apprentice to Gray Stripe. Even after some rogues kill you do. Dust pelt. Dust pelt. What do I say about this guy? He hated this guy to start. Him at the start. Then became he used he was close to this guy. Hang on any second. Okay, so Dust Pelt, you're awesome. There. Okay, Blue Star, awesome leader. Gray Stripe, awesome. Sandstorm, legendary for these two. Okay, so this time I guess I don't know. Okay, let's talk about this. Ravenpaw, he left because this is how it's gonna do it. Ravenpaw left because this guy was gonna kill him for knowing too much. Okay, Dark Darkstripe was gonna kill a kid for this guy who was banished from the clan for killing a cat, killing and nearly killing Blue Star. But wait a minute, why is Tawny Pell and Bracken Claw not on here? Ramble Claw. If you don't know, it is Tigerstar's children. I guess I'm guessing this is like only arc. It's like the first six one for first six books. We don't never really get to meet the other characters. Fine. Okay, so next up to talk about is let's go with Sandstorm. Just like Deathpelt. Also he also hated him at the start and but then they became mates. So isn't that great? They became friends in the second book. So basically, yay! You're playing your legend. So if I hang on. Oh, sorry. Okay, so barely better than Bliss. Okay, so listen. No, wait, I forgot to move Ravenball. I forgot to move Ravenball. Mm. Listen, this spot is for medicine cats. Okay, so what is your favorite? My favorite is probably I have a few favorites. My favorite female, I have two favorite females and two favorite medicine cats. Obviously, one of them is Jay Feather. The second is Yellow Fang. My favorite leader is Leaf Star and Leaf Star and Fire Star. Leaf Star is leader of Sky Clan. Who else? Hmm. Okay, what else? I'm thinking. Need a second. Dun, 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 dun. My favorite male characters are Ravenpaw, and I forgot the other guy. I can never remember this guy. Hmm. My favorite deputies are hmm, Gray Stripe and Red Tail. My favorite, and I think that's it. And my favorite characters that I die are Spotted Leaf and hang on, just give me a second. And Blue Star. Okay, yep, I know. Okay, so yeah, that might so I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. It helps my channel grow so I can make more videos like this. Maybe even start making my own animations of warrior cats. Thank you. Bye.